But when my flight's delayed, it's not like when your flight's delayed. I'm not with a bunch of peasants in a peasant holding area with a tiny Starbucks somewhere in the corner. No. When my flight's delayed, we just have our meal early. KFC. I'm from the streets. Nothing's changed. I'm a poor guy with a lot of money. I'm not a rich man. So when they say, Andrew, what would you like to eat aboard your private jet? KFC, obviously. Fried chicken. What else am I going to eat? Obviously. This is what powered me to world championships. Nothing's going to change. Thank you very, very much. Just sparkling water.
Yes, of course. Do you like ice as well?
Yes, please.